What's going on, guys? Back at the Zuma Guy Garage, back with the new camera. Actually, tell me if this video quality is definitely better than it has to be better than the other, because I was shooting with a GoPro 7 last time. This is the new Ace Pro 2. Look at all that crispiness. But anyway, this video we're gonna be it's just a big update video. A lot of catching up to do. Actually, we're gonna work on this Adly we have over here. We got this Adly over here. We're gonna do some tail light mods. I know a lot of people have been asking about these Adlys, so we're gonna do some work on the Adly today. But we also have a bunch of parts that I've been collecting inside my house. Had to get rid of them. Actually, this is a lot of my Black Friday stuff from Scooter Swap Shop. So actually, let's just push everything else to the side. We'll hop into the Scooter Swap Shop stuff, and then we'll hop right into the Adly, and then start working on these tail lights. Alright, let's get all this stuff out here. Oh, look at Charleston shoes. These guys are great. Honestly, I don't even remember what I ordered. It's been so long ago. Of course, little Scooter Swap Shop sticker. Big thank you for you guys for supporting the culture. But alright. So what we got. So I ordered a couple balls. Definitely order these. These were 50 bucks. Comes with everything you need. New cylinders, everything. If you didn't see, we put one of these on Joey's Eton Beamer, and that really woke the bike up. The quality is pretty good. You know, definitely got to clean up some of the stuff, the castings and stuff, but hey, 50 bucks, you can't go wrong with it. So we bought a couple of those. I bought a couple parts to rebuild kickstarts and stuff like that, and looks like a fan scoop. We got some grips. These, I don't know. And then that's pretty much it for the Scooter Swap. Oh, we got some throttle cables, and I think that's about it. But we definitely picked up some of these heads because they were 50 bucks. And don't know what I'm gonna put it on yet. But gives you guys something to look forward to. So anyway, let's hop into this. These have these tail lights. This is actually Lamar's bike. Tom has the same one in black. This is Lamar's bike. We picked this one up for, I don't even remember. I think we've got it for like $150, the whole bike. Guy said he couldn't get it running. It was some simple carburetor issues. Got it running the same night for 150 bucks. Can't beat it. Almost all the plastics are there. The front plastic is cracked. I'll show you the bike later. Oh, the heat is cranking in here. Check out this heater. It is definitely like 80 degrees in here. But this is the bike. Cool racing stripe. This is broken, so that has to be fixed. And this part is missing. Other than that, the bike is complete. And it starts up and it runs pretty well, actually. So we're going to be working on this right now, so let's hop right into it. All right, guys, so in this video, I wouldn't just make a video of me swapping out this damaged tail lights. You guys know me better than that. So originally, that's what this was gonna be. Tom has the same bike. He ended up buying the whole rear section, but clear and see-through. And he gave me the old one. So originally I was just gonna swap this over. But when he was taking it off to replace it, we both noticed that this piece right here has holes where it looks like the lights should mount in their factory. And then we looked inside and it looked like it was kind of translucent, and as if they like just spray painted over this for some reason. Like, these are lenses. These three parts right here, they're all lenses. It looks like they just spray painted over it. So in this video, we're going to try to take this apart. I'm gonna try to wet sand it and make it look clear. And then we're gonna compare it. If it does come out good, we're gonna compare it to the ones Tom just bought and see if it's even worth the money, or seeing if this is a good mod that you guys should even do or waste your time with. So let's hop right into it. All right, guys. So you see I took the lenses off, And as you can see, there's all the holes for the light bulbs. And we were right. You can look at, can you see? You can see my hand behind it. So it's clear. I just don't understand why they spray painted behind it. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm just gonna hit it with some sandpaper, some wet sandpaper, and hopefully I can get that thing to clear back up, and then we'll hit it with the buffer and hopefully it'll shine back up, and we'll slap it all back together and do its thing. Okay, so I got a used piece of 400 grit sandpaper. I got some 600 grit sandpaper and some water, and really nothing to it, guys. Man, it is hot in here. Now if you can see, I got that wood burning stove right there, and it's got to be like 85 degrees in here, 90. It is hot. Like, I'm about to start sweating. But anyway, simply wet the paper. Let's do this corner piece first. And we're just going to lightly sand this thing, and it's coming right off already. I just don't understand why they painted these. And I'm just about through it already, so that's not too bad. I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Look at that. I just don't understand why they painted it. So I'm just gonna put you guys on a little time lapse. I'm gonna knock this out real quick, and then we'll go into the wiring aspect of it. Alright guys, so with a combination of 400 grit, 600 grit, and Scotch-Brite, was able to get these things pretty good. So they're a little dull right now, obviously, because they're not buffed out, but all the black is pretty much sanded off of it the best as I could. So now I'm going to grab the buffer, set that up, grab some compound, and then start polishing these things back up, and they should shine pretty good. And then there'll be a whole transformation on this bike, because that's gonna be night and day. And then we'll go into, if I have it, we'll go into the wiring. All right guys, so we got the buffer set up and locked down. Should be pretty good. Bring it up a little more. And what we're gonna do is just pass the lenses right over this, and we should be pretty good. Some on there. Put that in pretty good. Nice and shiny, guys. Can't beat that. There's still a little paint in there you can see, but man, that looks 100% better. So I'm gonna do this to the rest of these, and then we'll take the old ones off, replace these new ones on, and that's gonna look sick. Just gonna go on and cheat these off real quick. Exactly. Those even tight. These. Doesn't look to be tight either. Okay. Look at that. That's a huge difference. Huge difference. So, the new ones. These are all the wiring that we're going to be using. So, and right off the bat, I can see that that's different. So I'm gonna disappear for a minute. I'm gonna show you if I can find a socket that fits in there, and then one that fits in here as well, so we can get this light section put on together. All right, guys. So I found some connectors, random connectors. Yours may vary, but I found some off of a Harley and then one off of one of my Sentras. So I got that to work, got that all in there. Now I'm gonna put the lens caps on and then take it all apart, and then we're gonna get into the wiring aspect of it, and hopefully we can make some magic happen. All right guys, that looks sick. It looks smoked out. That's pretty dope. So we're gonna take this one out. Looks like I have to pull all the plastics off the back. That sucks. So I gotta pull the plastics off, and then I'll look into getting this thing, actually we'll get this thing wired up first so I know what goes where, and then I'll pull the plastics off and then try to slip this thing in there without having to take too much off. Got all this stuff soldered on, the signal light soldered on, and the tail light. Looking good, looking OEM. So now I'm going to start taking this thing apart. All right, just like that, that one's off. Going to slide this new one in. That wasn't too terrible at all. Okay, that one's in. That. Lastly, we'll just put this back on. Why is it so long? Oh, did he? There we go. We are good, guys. So let's turn this thing on. Let's see how this thing looks with the power on. Go. What a difference. Here it is, guys. What a difference. All smoked out. Looks like it's not even there, but you can obviously see it is there. Nice and bright. That looks way better. Cool. Definitely a big upgrade. Thing needs to be wiped down, thing needs to be cleaned. But what do you guys think? But tell me what you guys think. The new lights are on it. Actually, the old lights with all the paint removed. I don't know why they painted them from factory. Definitely looks better than all this on it. But tell me what you guys think. Like, subscribe, comment. Peace.